There is no perfect prompt, but if you want GPT-5 to deliver better results, you can't just ask a question. You need to engineer the ask. Here are 5 components that make your prompts stronger. Number 1, role. Define who the AI should be. For example, you are a senior talent acquisition strategist advising hiring managers. Number 2, objective. State the exact goal. For example, create a structured interview guide for a data analyst role. Number 3, scenario. Provide context and constraints. For example, the company is a mid-sized healthcare startup with limited budget and a remote-first team. Number 4, expected solution. Describe the format you need. For example, deliver a 5-question guide with behavioral and technical focus formatted in a table. Sabine. Number 5, steps. Guide the process if the task is complex. For example, first review the job description, then identify must-have competencies, then draft questions with scoring rubrics. Here's a bonus tip. Use nudge phrases like think step by step or think carefully. They work far better than urgency phrases like this is critical. The takeaway, clear frameworks and small nudges lead to more accurate, actionable outputs and save you time on revisions. Until next time, keep learning with purpose.